Hi, welcome back to Car Info Project channel. Jeep has released Compass update for the 2023 model year. The SUV now has a turbo 2.0-liter engine as well as a few other changes. The drivetrain option have also been updated, which should be good news for those looking for toughness in the compact vehicle. The turbocharged 2.0-liter direct injection inline 4-cylinder gasoline engine, which is available for the first time on the Jeep Compass, produce up to 200 horsepower and 271 Nm of torque. This is said to provide exceptional responsiveness and improve drivability. Furthermore, Jeep Active Drive 4x4 system is now standard across the board. The Jeep Active Drive 4x4 system is a fully automatic at any speed and without the need for driver intervention, delivering seamless operation in and out of four-wheel drive mode. Jeep Active Drive and Active Drive Low 4x4 system are both equipped with the Jeep Selec-Terrain system, which has 4 modes: Auto, Snow, Sand or Mud, and Rock mode, which is exclusive to the Trailhawk model. Jeep advanced safety feature such as drowsy driver detection, rear seat reminder alert, and security alarm are also standard across the lineup. Automatic high beam headlamp control is a standard on Latitude model and higher. For those who want to stand out, there are 3 distinct appearance and special edition package available. The exterior color option for the special edition Compass model are expanded. The new 70-inch wheels are standard on the Compass, Sport, and Latitude model. The 2023 Jeep Compass is now available for order with the 5 different 4x4 trim configuration available: Sport, Latitude, Latitude LUX, Limited, and the rugged trail-rated Trailhawk. It is expected to hit North American showroom in the first quarter of 2023.